President Kennedy spoke at Independence Hall on July 4th, 1962.
People jam Independence Square in Philadelphia to hear President Kennedy declare that the United States looks forward to a declaration of interdependence that will bring it into a concrete Atlantic partnership with Europe. He called for the eventual union of all free men and those who someday will be free. He then continued,
"But I will say here and now, on this day of independence, that the United States will be ready for a declaration of interdependence, that we will be prepared to discuss with a united Europe the ways and means of forming a concrete Atlantic partnership, a mutually beneficial partnership between the new union now emerging in Europe and the old American Union, founded here 175 years ago. All this will not be completed in a year, but let the world know it is our goal.